Welcome to this insightful video script where we'll explore 3 tear-free tips to help your baby sleep soundly. Advantages of back sleeping. Back sleeping has become the gold standard for infant sleep, and for good reason. Studies have shown that babies who sleep on their backs are at a significantly lower risk of sudden infant death syndrome (SIDS). SIDS is a devastating and unexplained occurrence where an otherwise healthy baby dies during sleep. While the exact cause is still unclear, it is known that the sleep position plays a crucial role. It promotes healthy development of the spine and head. Another important advantage of back sleeping is that it promotes the healthy development of your baby's spine and head. The soft bones of an infant's skull are still forming, and placing them on their back ensures that their head remains round and symmetrical. Effects of stomach sleeping. Increased risk of SIDS. Stomach sleeping, on the other hand, poses a higher risk of SIDS. When a baby sleeps on their stomach, they may have a harder time getting enough oxygen. Additionally, they may inhale their own exhaled breath, leading to decreased oxygen levels, which can be life-threatening. Potential breathing difficulties. Babies who sleep on their stomachs may also experience breathing difficulties. Their tiny noses and mouths may get obstructed by the bedding, making it harder for them to breathe. This can lead to discomfort and even put them at risk. An uneven head shape. Another concern associated with stomach sleeping is the potential for an uneven head shape. The constant pressure on one side of the baby's head can lead to a condition called positional plagiocephaly, which results in a flat spot on the head. When can a baby sleep on her stomach? While it's clear that back sleeping is the safer option, you may wonder when it's safe for your baby to sleep on her stomach. Pediatricians and child health experts recommend that babies sleep on their backs for the first year of life. This is because the risk of SIDS is highest during this time. Safe sleeping guidelines. To create a safe sleep environment for your baby, consider the following guidelines. Use a firm mattress with a fitted sheet in the crib. Avoid loose bedding, pillows, stuffed animals, or bumper pads. Keep the room at a comfortable temperature, not too hot or too cold. Share your room with your baby, but not your bed. Breastfeeding and pacifier use have been associated with a reduced risk of SIDS. Never smoke around your baby or let anyone else smoke around them. Addressing concerns, fussiness and discomfort. Some parents worry that their baby is fussy or uncomfortable sleeping on their back. It's important to remember that babies often prefer to sleep on their stomachs due to the cozy and secure feeling it provides. However, you can make your baby sleep more comfortable by swaddling them, using a pacifier, and creating a soothing bedtime routine. Reflux and stomach sleeping. Babies with gastroesophageal reflux disease. May find it more comfortable to sleep on their stomachs, as it can reduce symptoms. If your baby has reflux, consult with a pediatrician for guidance on safe sleep practices. Baby's age and readiness. As your baby grows and becomes more mobile, they will naturally start changing their sleep positions. It's essential to adapt to their readiness while ensuring that the sleep environment remains safe. Always consult with your pediatrician if you have concerns about your baby's sleep. Conclusion. In conclusion, the question of whether a baby can sleep on her stomach is a complex one. While stomach sleeping may have certain advantages, the overwhelming consensus among pediatricians and experts is that back sleeping is the safest choice, particularly during the first year of life. Creating a safe sleep environment and practicing tummy time when your baby is awake can help promote healthy development and reduce the risk of SIDS. Before we go, we have an incredible resource to make your baby's sleep even more comfortable. Check out Baby Sleep Miracle, a fantastic guide for ensuring your baby gets the best sleep. Download this book now, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.